Hey guys, it's good to see you.
Hi, Dad!
I really missed you guys on vacation.
Yeah, that's great. Vacation?
Yeah, I went to Mexico, remember?
Hey, Neil.
I've got a deadline.
Guys, get back to work.
Sorry, sir.
Dad, can I have a word with you?
Hey Doug, yeah, sure.
Business!
I'll be in my office.
Okay, so what's up?
Dad, you guys see Dad, look!
Uh-huh.
Dad, look!
Mm-hmm,
You see
yep.
it?
So how was vacation? Or
Dad, did you see it?
I did, great work. Mexico was good, Doug. It was really nice getting away and clearing my head, but I gotta admit, everything reminded me of you guys.
Negocio!
Toad? Frog? Seemed like everywhere I went, there you guys were.
Anyone
What
else?
the nude?
Leave me alone. Stop filming, you pervert.
Oh, sorry.
Trying to take it down.
You look like my cat.
Did you talk to cats the whole time?
No, I had margaritas with some new friends, right?
You didn't pay them to hang out with you?
What? No, come on, I don't pay for friendship. I was just paying for my new friends' dinners every night.
Clarence, technically half of that is mine since we're a team.
Well, what? Who are you?
Clarence, did you hear me?
Wait, you were buying everyone dinner?
Clarence!
Sorta. It's not like I bought everyone everything. No sé, vamos a por todo?
Sí!
Muy bien, amigo. I learned some new customs. Perdóname, ¿dónde es el baño? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Well, when in Rome. Let's see, what else did I do? Oh, I found love.
Was it a town or a sign or something?
No, love is in my heart, Doug.
Did you find anything else?
Yeah?
What? It's there?
It's there.
What is?
The hidden temple of business cats.
Wow!
Glad you're feeling sane again.